Well, there's one for the stew pot. I've been sneaking along the creek, waiting for him to come out. We had a little snow and ice this past weekend. Today's Tuesday evening. It's supposed to rain tonight. But I'm using my old Marlin 882 22 Magnum rifle. I've had that rifle a long time, since the early 1980s when I used to squirrel hunt on the island down at Great Falls. When I deer hunt, I see all kind of squirrels, but after deer season go out and I pick up their 22, they disappear. But that's a good start. I need about 6 of them to make a good stew. And I'm sure I'll eventually get a few more. But I enjoy being out and about in the woods. Some good looking squirrely trees. Good old Marlin 22 Magnum model 882. Film at 11.